Hey, what's going on everybody? I'm Rob, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to change a spark plug on this CF Moto side-by-side. So on this particular side-by-side, the original screw holding the front of this piece, the center console down, is missing. So I do not know the actual size for that. However, there should be a fastener at the front. There's two elastics, one on each end at the back. You can get to them by lifting the seat. In order to lift the seat, there's this strap on the back of the seat. You're going to give it a pull and push the seat forward. Now you can access the elastic. You'll do the same thing on the other side. There's this right here, hooks onto the side of this box. Take both of those off, and now you can remove it. So I've already removed this. So there's two 10 mil bolts here, one on the back side, and then you're going to want a Phillips screwdriver to take off this clamp and this clamp over here. And then there is this piece is over here. So you're just going to squeeze these tabs, bring them down, and take this hose off. Now that we've lifted the passenger seat and we have access underneath the air box, this boot right here, see that? This is the boot for your spark plug. It is a bit tricky to get to. I might have to drop the camera to get it. Yeah. So now with the boot removed, you're just going to want to drop your socket, just like I have here. You just want to drop your socket down onto the spark plug, give it a little push down, make sure it's on there, and then I found it best with a wobbly socket or with a wobbly extension. And there you have it. So, and then everything is just in the reverse order to reinstall. So new spark plug goes in, intake box back on top, hook up your hoses, and then this one, center console comes back in, clip your rubber back over, screw it down, and put your seats down, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below, like, and subscribe. Till next time.